how to resend email in MAILCHIMP. So first, go to your MAILCHIMP dashboard. Next is just click on campaigns. Okay, now you'll see all of your campaigns here. So to resend an email, choose one of these ones. So after that, just click on the drop down arrow here. And then what you need to do is just click on replicate. Okay. Okay, once it's open, you can just edit the name. So let's just name it replicate, since this is just an example. Save it, and then just add your recipients, of course, then your subject, the send time if you want to send it at a certain time, or if you want to send it now, just click on send here at the top right corner. And don't worry about this one, this content thing here. I did not edit my email template, that's why it's showing here. So if you edited your email template, this thing here won't show it. It will be resolved. Okay, so once you're done, just click on send, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.